I'd like to go to Ms. Khushbu and ask her that, does lowering the age of consent really improve gender justice? I'd really like you to answer this, Ms. Khushbu. Over to you, please.
Not exactly how. I mean, this is the gender neutral law. I mean, how is it's gonna do any how is it's gonna solve? I'm not able to understand, or maybe I'm not
Because
able to
the
understand.
person that you can always no because you can accuse a person who was in a consensual relationship of rape.
I'm sorry, ma'am, can you
That
repeat once more?
you can accuse a person who was in a consensual relationship. Several years after that relationship broke down, you can go back and accuse that person of rape.
See, things have to be not taken in a nutshell. You can accuse, but there has to be facts. Every matter is not just a pure law. There are facts involved in each case, and that's where we have
Exactly, ma'am.
that's courts in
Exactly. That
place.
is why we have.
That's where we have
This is one of
evidences.
the
That's
broad
where we have no, no.
legalities.
Let me finish it off. That's where we have evidence in place, and after that entire process that goes on is where the judgment comes. It's not that there is a law and something like that has happened and he's put behind the bar, and that's where the judgment just instantly comes. That okay, he has indulged in.
Unfortunately, with folks who,
All I'm
as you
saying
very
is,
well know,
all I'm saying
the
is,
presumption
all
of
I'm
guilt
saying
is
is,
reversed.
19,
So
all I'm saying is a 16-year with a 16-year or 16-year with a minor, that's not what I'm addressing here. I'm addressing that a person at that age, and there have been lot of research that has gone through to understand that 18 is the age where you can't have prudent way to take decisions in life, or maybe your body doesn't come in that manner. I don't know how you come with the number of 17. I think 19 seems to be a better number if we're really talking about age and how consent can go on. But I absolutely agree the cases where it has been misused by the parents, where two minors or maybe somebody with a 19-year-old and a 17-year-old daughter, and they are not happy with that relationship, go on filing cases. That's where I think things have to be taken up in a different manner, and that's where I think some more judgments or clarifications have to be looked into, but not the part that you just go away with the aspect that okay, let's lower the age, and let's continue, because we can't close eyes on the aspect that how people who are not prudently in a state to take decisions are manipulated, are being put to the side. And tomorrow if some case comes and you says okay, this is not, we have to, there is no law in that manner, we'll be in a state which is doom stage. Same comes with the domestic violence, same comes with rape when it comes to normal, same comes with stalking. Every law has been misused, but we have to understand how do we implement so that it doesn't come to a misuse part, nothing else. You can't let go close of the eyes because there are 10 cases which have been misused using that law.
Yes, Ms. Rekha, please.
no, we are not.
No, beg your pardon. Yes, Ms. Kasturi, please.
Yes. This is not about.
I partially agree with you. I'm not saying I'm against you. I partially agree with you, but there's a portion of it. I think that's where I mean I don't agree with letting go of the law or lowering the age.
Right. Thank you. I just wanted to clarify that I am not basing my support for this on the basis of exceptions to the rule. I'm not talking about the outliers that are, could be genuine cases, and we are not talking just about abuse of the law. I'm talking about social reality. I think it is necessary to understand and respect the fact that adolescents are capable of consent. Khushbuji thinks that 19 even, you need a college education to be able to distinguish between consensual and non-consensual and willful consensual sex. I don't think that is the case. I think even you can be a minor, but you can still be capable of feelings which are not necessarily coerced at all times. And I think that is the ground reality. And this is not, I speak for a lot of people. It's not just me. I'm not just saying this is not my personal opinion. I think that is the logic. I think that is the kind of input that the exercise is being taken on the grounds of as well. The law panel discussing this age reversal or lowering of age is taking into consideration that people above a certain age, while still needing the protection of law in many respects, are still capable of entering into consensual sexual relationships. It may not be something that we want to agree as a sanskari society, but that is actually more, I think it's just practical and more respectful to adolescents as an important part of society, to give them a little bit of right to consent.